an education program offered by Westcliff University, the EdD. It has a unique curriculum in that we have practicum embedded in each and every course, including the dissertation courses. This is a great opportunity for students to get feedback on the work that they're doing. They can present their projects at their current place of work, or Westcliff can help students to find placement for their practicum if they're not currently working in the field of education. This makes the degree at Westcliff very practical. Students get hands-on experience, they get feedback from the industry, and feedback from our professional faculty who have years of experience in the field.